Hey everyone on Facebook.
Hi.
We're doing a YouTube video today, so it's exciting. So if we're looking this way, it's because it's for the YouTube. Okay. All right, here we go. We're just getting ready here. Do. All right, here we go. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here and
Melise Simpson.
And today we're talking about the benefits of Turo, Airbnb, and essential oils and how to get the best of all the worlds, right? So that's going to be really, really important. And so what is Turo and how can an Airbnb guest use it to enhance their experience?
So Turo is basically the car rental of Airbnb. So like Airbnb, you rent out a home or a room in a home, renting directly from somebody. So that experience you get, they can pick you directly up from the airport. You don't have to stand in line in a rental car line. You can pick what kind of car you want, from anything from high luxury to Maserati or BMW, SUVs, Mercedes, or you can go economy. And there's a lot of different price options as well. So you can browse your prices and options, and so it's a really cool experience. If you like the Airbnb experience, and you're going to love Turo as well. And it really puts you kind of in the driver's seat. So, if you're trying to get around town as a guest, if you're going with Uber or Lyft or even a taxi, then it's like a one-time thing. You're going from point A to point B and you pay a fee. You could probably rent a Turo car and have that for the whole day or the few days you're in town or even longer for probably less than you would do when you're renting from another agency.
That's right. So basically Turo is the Airbnb of car rental, and you can basically save up to 35% off, and you can get a lot of benefits of that. And there's some Turo logoing and some other items that we have there. And I know you use natural products as well when you're Turo hosting or Airbnb hosting as well. So we have some items here. We have the foaming hand wash, which is awesome. We have the On Guard cleaner concentrate for floors and toilets and dishes. We have the laundry detergent, so up to 64 loads. Awesome option to go green. Diffuser to clean the air for the home, and then a diffuser for the car. So there's lots of different options there as well. But how else do you like to kind of incorporate essential oils with your hostings?
Yeah, I'm all about non-toxic, green, clean, and natural as well. We also have this. This is super convenient. This is the On Guard sanitizing spray. Great for the car or for the bathroom or your hands. So just spray it on right there. Mm-hmm. Rub your hands together, and then cleans your hands naturally. And you can also, like I said, use that in your car and spray down your steering wheel. So, if you are in a car rental or Turo or anywhere, in any car rental, you're concerned about the cleanliness. So using something natural versus something that's toxic and synthetic, then you can, protect yourself and boost your immune system that way. And so I love using natural products for my home and also for my Turo, my car as well, that I now rent out.
Awesomeness. Okay, coolness. All right, so the question may come up, like, what makes Turo better than Uber, Lyft, taxis, and airport car rental companies? Because there's lots of different options out there for providing transportation. But what would you say, makes Turo better than those?
I think it's a really unique experience. So like I said, there's a lot more options as far as what you want to rent. When you can get picked up from the airport, dropped off at the airport. So it's super convenient. You don't have to wait in those lines. And the prices are a lot lower as well. And then you're renting from, a local person and helping supplement, their income, whether they're just trying to, pay their bills or, feed their family, and they just need that supplemental income. So it's helping the local economy in a way that's going right to the small business person as well. So when you travel outside of your area, then you're supporting local and maybe not the big corporations where you're treated more like a number instead of like a person. So it's a really unique, personalized experience, and your host wants to make you happy. So they want to maybe have you as a repeat customer. So they're going to do whatever it takes, whether it's, the car is going to be clean, they're going to be on time, it's going to be full of gas, and they're going to have some probably tips to get you around town and that as well. So it's a really awesome experience.
Yeah, so Uber and Lyft kind of put someone else in the driver's seat, and you can kind of get chauffeured at maybe some savings over taxi. Taxi still puts somebody else in the driver's seat, but they may nickel and dime you here and there on some little stuff. But the Turo aspect allows you to put yourself in the driver's seat. And even if you go with like an airport car rental, I mean, that's still a good option if you can get a deal, but the service aspect won't be there as much because yes, some car rentals may pick you up or drop off the car, but it's nice to be able to meet somebody kind of face to face, the owner of that vehicle, and have that more personalized experience. And I know you focus more on like the customer experience as well, and that's everything, like personalized support, education, and using natural products as well to make sure that people stay healthy. I mean, when you get off an airplane, there's a lot of stuff in the air, in the cabin of the airplane, at the airport, in the air when you're driving on the freeway. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't support your immune system, and so being able to use something that does support your immune system, especially when you clean the cars or you clean the home or you clean other things, that's going to be really key. And it does help with bookings and reviews as well as a host, because they're like, hey, like the air was great, it smelled good, like, and the shower experience was amazing because there's lots of different natural stuff I could use, and I was able to clean my hands, and I was able to do this and do that, and it's great. And so I guess to summarize, Turo is different, but we also believe it's better than the other options because it puts you in the driver's seat if you want to earn more income. But if you are not wanting to supplement your income and you just want to use it as a customer, it's still a really good option that allows flexibility and control. And you can get luxury cars, you can get sports cars, you can get economy cars, you can get trucks, SUVs, like there's so many different options on that. All you do is just download the Turo app. We'll have more information in the description below so you can check that out. Or you can message Malie or myself directly, so those would be some good options.
And you can get $25 travel credit if you haven't downloaded the Turo app. So as a first new customer, you can get that $25 travel credit. What's the benefits of getting a family essential kit like this?
Okay, so the Family Essentials Kit is really just the smartest way to be prepared for life's little emergencies. And so you can have natural solutions within arm's reach. It comes with the top 10 essential oils for the home, and that's really great if you or somebody you know, or even your clients, need support with energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, and supporting their immune system. And the oils that are in here are featured here below, and then also comes with some beadlets that help with scratchy throat. It helps support your immune system with the On Guard one here, but then also the peppermint helps to open up your airways. They're like little balls of essential oil, so they're really convenient in that way. And then yeah, it's already travel ready, so it's really convenient size. And all the bottles are, I call them kind of like the baby size, and there's like adult sizes, which are like kind of here. But yeah, this is a really awesome kit and really helps to support you as a Turo host, a Turo customer, an Airbnb host, an Airbnb customer, and is a great popular option, very affordable, addresses the root cause of what's going on, and we throw in an additional gift here for getting a Family Essential Kit through us and the link below, and that's the On Guard hand spray. And so that is good for cleaning your hands, especially when you're in public locations like bathrooms or just shaking hands or open up door handles and all that stuff. So yeah, that's a really good natural option. And then there's lots of other options too.
Yeah, we have a lot of natural solutions, non-toxic cleaners and diffusers and shampoos and conditioners. So there is another kit called the Natural Solutions Kit. So what's the benefits of getting a bigger kit than this one here?
Okay, so the Natural Solutions Kit is another one we recommend. We have a 15-part series on that in the description below, so you can learn all about that, and you'd be like, whoa, 15-part series, what's that all about? Well, we just want to make sure our clients are well educated and know exactly how to use every single thing that they buy, so that it doesn't collect dust or be used as a paperweight or just stays in the box that it came in. We don't like that. We want people to use this liquid gold and liquid all amazingness that we have. And so one of the products in the Natural Solutions Kit, I'll just cover one as an overview, is the foaming hand wash. And so this uses the power of the On Guard blend, and it's really amazing. Okay, so it's a very smooth kind of foam that comes out, non-toxic, green, non-synthetic, cleans your hands, supports your immune system, and it comes with a refill bottle as well as an additional dispenser in the Natural Solutions Kit. And the Natural Solutions Kit, just so you know, it's bigger than this one. the Family Essentials one.
A lot bigger.
A lot bigger, yeah. And it's perfect if you want to make over your health, kitchen, and bathroom cabinet. Because if you're just like, hey, I'm done with the synthetic, I'm done with the toxic options, I just want to support my immune system, support my hormones, support my energy, my digestion, my sleep, my muscles, my joints, everything. I just want to support it all. And I want to do so in a very meaningful way and save a lot of money as well. And the Natural Solutions Kit is going to be your best option. Again, this isn't the Natural Solutions Kit, but the videos in the description below will be. So you can check those out when you're ready to do that. And again, that Natural Solutions Kit is going to be perfect as a host. Oh, and yeah, we have some free products as well. So this is the On Guard, thank you, Mali. This is the On Guard throat drops that we're giving away for free for anybody who mentions Airbnb and their purchase with us. And so this is the throat drops here. I'm trying to open up. All right, so what is a throat drop? It's like candy, but not candy. So it's got the power of the On Guard blend as well. So it's got wild orange, cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, some amazing oils. And it's in a convenient little kind of package here. And this is great if you're an Airbnb host and you want to put like a little bowl in the room and kind of help your guests stay healthy while they're staying with you and create that memorable experience. But what it does is it supports your immune system, can help with a scratchy throat, and really tastes great, freshens the breath, and is a really great option for folks that we give for free with any purchase of the Natural Solutions Kit or the bathroom makeover kits, if you want to call it that.
Right, I had this little tiny scratchy throat yesterday. Used one of these yesterday and feel better already. So
that's awesome.
That's great.
That's right. All right, so yeah, there's lots of other videos that we have that cover other kits, other products, the benefits of Turo specifically, as well as Airbnb. And so if you haven't already watched those, make sure to check that out. Everything we mentioned, again, will be in the description below. And other than that, thank you so much for watching today. That concludes today's video. If you want to learn more about becoming an Airbnb host, or a customer, or a Turo host, or a Turo customer, or an essential oil wholesale customer, or anything else, really, everything will be below. So that's pretty much how it works. And it'll be kind of easy for you to search and browse and kind of check all that information out. So you can make the most educated decision for yourself as an individual, for your family, or for your business. And that's really important because it's all about empowerment with us, personalized support, and education that really helps you get from where you are today to where you want to be. And that will be it. And if you like today's video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button below as well if you want to catch more video updates. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video.